What if every job humans do today was taken over by machines? This question isn't science fiction. It's a reality shaping careers, economies, and identity. Advances in automation, AI, and intelligent machines are accelerating. From self-driving cars to algorithms that draft reports. For working people, jobs are more than income. They shape purpose and social connection. If those jobs disappear, how do we sustain livelihoods and meaning? We'll examine current trends, what displacement versus transformation looks like, and how humans can thrive. We'll also explore policy, skills, and new economic activities in an AI-driven world. Robots in warehouses and cobots on factory floors are already changing jobs. AI chatbots handle routine service, diagnostic systems aid doctors, generative models create content. This video is not about doom, it's about understanding possibilities and choices ahead. First, we'll look at the current landscape where automation and AI already reach. Then we'll ask the core question, what happens if machines do nearly everything? Automation has driven revolutions for centuries. Today it moves faster and further than before. In manufacturing, robotic arms and cobots handle intricate tasks. Humans shift toward oversight, maintenance, and quality control. In logistics, AGVs and sorting systems automate picking and packing. This increases speed and reduces manual labor. Customer service sees chatbots handling routine queries. Agriculture uses drones and automated harvesters to boost productivity. Some roles evolve from manual labor to tech oversight and analytics. AI goes beyond routine tasks, into creativity, decision-making, and personalization. Generative models produce text, images, code, and music. Creators use AI to ideate and prototype faster. AI amplifies creative workflows rather than replacing all creativity outright. In healthcare and finance, AI analyzes vast datasets to aid decisions. From diagnostics to fraud detection, AI increases speed and insight, but humans remain essential for judgment and context. We must distinguish displacement, augmentation, and transformation. Displacement happens when entire tasks are automated, like certain repetitive roles. Some positions may shrink or vanish as tasks are fully machine-driven. Estimates vary. Many tasks change, fewer roles are wholly eliminated. Augmentation lets professionals do more. AI spots patterns while humans decide. Transformation shifts responsibilities toward empathy, oversight, and complex problem-solving. Overall, the story is often one of collaboration, but the scale of change is real. Imagine a world where machines perform nearly all productive work. What happens to economies, livelihoods, and human purpose? Our economic systems assume employment as the main way people earn and participate. If machines produce the bulk of goods and services, traditional 40-hour careers could change dramatically. Career ladders and employer-employee norms may need reinvention. One possibility, abundant production at low marginal cost, basic needs widely accessible. Alternatively, ownership of machines could concentrate wealth and deepen inequality. Policy choices will determine whether benefits are shared or hoarded. A post-work society could redirect human time toward creativity, caregiving, and community. But meaning is not automatic. Societies must craft new structures for purpose and belonging. Proposals like universal basic income aim to decouple survival from paid labor. Other paths include valuing caregiving, arts, community service, and open-source contributions. Next, we explore uniquely human skills and adaptation strategies. Machines excel at computation. Humans retain distinct strengths that remain critical. Creativity, generating novel ideas and connecting disparate concepts, stays human-led. Innovation often arises from intuition and lived experience. AI assists, but human originality drives cultural and technological breakthroughs. Critical thinking and ethical judgment are essential when AI presents options without values. Humans interpret context, weigh trade-offs, and account for fairness. These capacities underpin trustworthy AI governance. Emotional intelligence, empathy, rapport, trust cannot be fully automated. Collaboration and nuanced communication remain human domains. Care economy roles will likely grow in importance. Adaptability and lifelong learning are survival skills in a fast-changing job market. Micro-credentials and modular learning help close skill gaps quickly. Employers, governments, and institutions must invest in reskilling and upskilling. New roles will include AI ethicists, governance specialists, and human AI collaboration managers. Coaches who cultivate creativity and innovation will be in demand. Care, teaching, and complex problem-solving remain human priorities. Entrepreneurship, use AI as a tool to automate mundane tasks and focus on strategy and vision. Identify unmet human needs and build services emphasizing empathy, personalization, and meaning. If paid work declines, human activity and value creation will look different. Communities, creativity, and care gain prominence. The gig economy could evolve into a passion economy, work chosen for meaning, not survival. Artisanal and bespoke production may flourish as humans seek uniqueness. Creators can scale with AI while retaining human voice and curation. Local economies, time banks, and shared resources foster resilience and connection. Volunteering and civic engagement could absorb free time into public good. Value must broaden beyond labor to include caregiving and education. Arts and culture enrich society in ways not captured by GDP. Environmental stewardship becomes central to long-term human survival. Policy will determine whether AI's gains are widely shared. Options include taxing automation, data dividends, or public ownership of infrastructure. Investment in public goods and retraining ensures a just transition. Ethical AI, transparency, and international cooperation are critical to avoid a harmful race to the bottom. Governance should ensure AI serves humanity, preserving dignity, equity, and opportunity for all. If machines take over many tasks, the future isn't predetermined. It is ours to shape. By prioritizing human skills, creativity, empathy, judgment, and bold policy choices, we can build a fairer future. Embrace lifelong learning, shape governance, and create economies that value human flourishing. Don't fear the machines, use them to free human potential. Subscribe for resources and next steps.